What's up guys, it's me Packy with the house, and today I'm going to Wichita State and we're throwing the brand new Columbia 300 Cuda. Stay tuned to see my opinions and what this ball looks like on the lanes. What it looks like on the lanes. Help us chase 100,000 subscribers, because once we get there, we're giving away a ball every single day until the end of this year, 2022. So the faster we get there, the more bowling balls we give away. So click that subscribe button and follow along, so hopefully we can give away a ton of bowling balls. My first impression of the Columbia 300 Cuda is that this ball is super slow. It feels like it's gonna be that bridge between like my asymmetric big balls and a ball like my track stealth, which fits right in the middle of my bag. It's that bridge where it's not quite asymmetric, but it still makes a really early, really smooth shape, so I can break it out when I'm on those really hard patterns. So the first thing I'm gonna do is compare it with this track stealth and kind of show you guys where it fits. And then after that, I'm gonna bowl a game and kind of show you guys where, what moves I can make and what moves I can't make. So for right now, Cuda versus the track stealth, let's see where they fit. A little bit too far down lane, a little bit too quick. This one should pick up earlier. Way earlier, way smoother. From first arrow, that's the ball. Ooh. Yeah. So we're 2 arrows down, and on the outside, that first arrow where, you know, there's a ton of oil, it's a sport pattern where there's a bunch of oil. The Cuda looked a little bit better because it picked up in the right part of the lane. And then we went to second arrow, there was a little bit of early friction, so the track stealth looked really good, and that Cuda just picked up so soon. As we go to third and fourth arrow, hopefully the Cuda doesn't pick up quite as early. Oh, a little bit outside, tried to hook back. Third arrow, ooh, nice and smooth. So as you could see there, the stealth stored a little bit more energy from fourth arrow, and from third arrow, just not my best shot. But that Cuda, from third arrow, it slowed down in the perfect amount, went high flush, and then from fourth arrow, you saw it was just a little bit too slow. So I'm gonna have to throw it a little bit slower to get it to have a more continuous motion down lane. Otherwise, as I move deeper and deeper, it's just not gonna hook. So I got 2 more arrows and 2 more shots to see which one stacks up better and is a little more versatile. Come on! Come on! All right, that was a bit ridiculous. Even though you saw back-to-back messenger 7s, it was too slow. It left like a flat 7 with a slow rolling messenger. From there, I would probably actually use neither of these balls. The stealth definitely stored a little bit more energy, but you still saw on that shot from 6th arrow, the stealth just kind of died. So Cuda just did a little better job creating a smoother shape, where the stealth sometimes hit that friction and like jerked off to the right. What I would choose from there would probably be something more like a melee jab. For right now, I'm gonna throw that Cuda for a whole game. Hopefully I shoot a good score and show you guys what this ball is capable of doing on its own, and not really just comparing it to one of my favorite balls right now, the track stealth. Frame 1. This is not going well. A little right off that. We're 3 frames in. I've had to move a little bit further right. From third arrow, it just hooked a little bit more than I thought it would. It's hooking early. I got to move in. Hopefully I can find a little bit of oil, use some ball speed, use some tilt, and find a little better line. But as I move in, I'm curious to see if I have to throw it a little slower to get it around the corner, or if I have to throw it faster to fight the early hook. We'll see, and a couple frames later, we'll see what moves I have to make. Slow. We're now 6 frames in. I'm pacing slightly above that 200 pace. I'm gonna need some more strikes and some more better shots, but I've learned that as I've moved in, I'm gonna add some rotation, and when I do that, it also hooks a little more down lane. So I gotta keep my speed slower and increase the rotation to try and miss that front part of the lane where it might hook a little bit early. So for right now, this ball's looking like a decent amount stronger than my stealth in the middle of the lane, and a much smoother shape down lane, whereas the stealth is a little bit longer and a little more angular. I'll catch you guys in 3 more frames before the 10th.
Keep it slow.
Dead up the back. This one just hooks a lot. Stepping up here in the 10th, I'm gonna have a chance to shoot 227. Not my best shot there in the 8th, in the 7th or the 8th, and I threw a good one there in the 9th to really kind of recoup some of my losses, you might say. And I'm gonna have a chance to strike out for 227 with that Cuda. Again, keep moving, keep going slower with a little more rotation and a little more tilt to keep my ball continuing down lane. Hopefully I shoot 227, but right now this ball's gonna be in my tournament bag because it is that bigger, slower piece. I can definitely use it on some flatter patterns like this one out here, and I can create a little bit of room and really just not split a lot because it controls the pocket and it gives me some room on the lane to miss. So with this ball controlling the pocket, it's not exactly a shape I might need on the house shot where that stealth is a little quicker, a little more angular, and I can snap that 7 out where I can chase more strikes with the stealth. This ball is going to do a great job controlling the pocket for me and hopefully striking a ton on these sport patterns. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking along. And here's a montage of what actually happened during the ball video. See ya.